Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a foundation review. I do have the foundation on right now, so what do you think? I think it looks good. But yeah, today we're gonna review the new COVERGIRL TruBlend Matte Foundation, and this is how it looks like right here. And I did pick this up at Rite Aid. They are getting Rite Aid is, I think, closing, so everything now is half off. So if you want to get a little makeup, go to Rite Aid. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not part of the Pineapple Squad, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the squad for more videos. And I think that's it, so let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is how the foundation looks like right here. And I got mine in T60, and this is matte. And this is T60 Warm Sun, and there were so many shades, and I was just there for such a long time with my friend. She was like trying to color match me, and this is the closest one, and to me this looks a little green. There was one that was like perfect, but for some reason like it was too light, and like the foundation ranges are like pukey green, and that's just so weird. Like I think they should do more undertones that are for us. Like I know they have like 46 shades, so it's really good, and they do have a lot of shades for us black girls, you know, dark skinned girls, but the shades are like weird. Like we're not gray, we're not like blue undertone-ish or pink. We're more like an olive undertone, and so much of them have a green undertone, which is like kind of annoying, but I'm gonna make it work. I did get an allergic reaction on this side. I'm not even sure what it is. I did start a new cleanser, but I don't know what it is. That's seriously so annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna start. This foundation at Rite Aid was $11.29, and I did get it for half off because Rite Aid, I guess, is going out of business. I don't know. But I already primed my skin. I used my favorite primer. This is the Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base by Catrice, and I literally like beat up. It's so good. I'm gonna do one side with my beauty blender and then another side with my brush. And the brush I'm gonna use is this oval brush right here, like an oval Amazon dupe, and I love it. It's my favorite brush ever. So yeah, I'm just gonna, oops. Okay, so it locks. That's good. I'm just gonna put some in the back of my hand. Yeah, look so green. Here are 3 pumps. Kind of looks, I think it's not bad. Okay, so when I go in this side with my beauty blender, my god, look at that. I don't understand what, ugh. I use this new cleanser that Jaclyn Hill recommended, and hopefully it's not that, because if that's what's breaking me out, I'm gonna be so color's good. It's definitely not full coverage. I think it's this. I don't think it's, look. I don't think it covered that much. Like, does it have glitter? I think it has glitter. I look glittery. What the heck? My face is full of glitter. It's the foundation. My beauty blender doesn't have any glitter. Oh my god, what the heck is this? Alright, so I'm just gonna try it with the brush now. Let's see. It has no coverage whatsoever, so you guys know I need full coverage. I feel like the beauty sponge absorbed a lot of the product, so probably that's what happened. Let's see, where do you click on this? I'm gonna dab it first. The foundation has glitter. It legit has glitter. The heck? Oh my gosh. Was I supposed to shake it? Let me zoom you guys in. Can you guys see the glitter? Can you see it like right there? That is so weird. Alright, it's honestly so weird how there's glitter. Like, there's so much glitter. No. I don't like that. So, I'm gonna keep my receipt. How weird. It dried down already. It doesn't look bad, but there's like so much glitter. I'm gonna do my forehead with my sponge just because I normally don't need a lot of coverage on my forehead. You could definitely layer this foundation. Alright, so this is how the foundation looks like. I think it looks really good, but there's like chunks of glitter that I could pick up. Like, I could see it all right here, and I could like pick it up. And it's so weird. And the shade is actually my same shade, which is good. But I don't know. That is so weird. I've never seen that in a foundation. I don't know if I have to mix it. I don't know. Because I can't see the glitter on my hands, like on the back of my hand. It really doesn't even have any glitter, but when I put it on my face, like it has glitter. Like, look. Glitter right there, glitter right there, glitter right there. All over here. I don't get it. That's weird. Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back to show you guys how it came out. Alright guys, so this is how my face looks. I really do like how the foundation looks. And I still see like the glitter like at the bottom and like right here. It's so weird. Like, why would I have glitter? I'm gonna search. I'm gonna try to see if other reviews, like people said they had glitter, because it's kind of weird, but it looks really good. It matches my skin perfectly. It does look a little white, but that's my concealer that I like to make like all this in the middle like a little brighter. But girl, this foundation looks good. I have no complaints so far. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. I think it covered it good. I didn't put foundation over here, so obviously, you know, I have like scars over here. My hair covered pretty much. You guys saw I have like a rash going on and it covered it good. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Right now, me and Josue are actually going to the Poconos in Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. I'm gonna try to wear it until I get there. Probably gonna, like right now it is 12:10. And I'm gonna try to have it on for like the whole day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any video recommendations, please leave it down below. And I love you guys. God bless you. And yeah, bye guys.